So if Google Tasks is stuck loading in 2026, yeah, like it just keeps spinning or never opens properly, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix once you go through the right checks. First, refresh the page or reopen the app. A lot of the time, Google Tasks just fails to load on the first attempt. Next, make sure your internet is stable. If your connection drops even for a moment, Google Tasks can get stuck loading. Now check you're signed into the correct Google account. If you're on the wrong account, Tasks may never fully load. Next, clear your browser cache. Old or corrupted files can block Google Tasks from loading properly. Now disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools. These can interfere with Google's scripts and break loading. If it's still stuck, restart your browser or device completely. This clears temporary glitches that often freeze Google Tasks. Make sure your browser, app, or Google services are fully updated. Older versions can cause hidden loading bugs. Finally, try incognito mode or another browser. If it works there, the issue is likely your extensions or browser settings. And that's it. One of these steps should fix Google Tasks loading issues and get everything working again.